Hello everyone, welcome back to CDL. My name is Dayat Niazi, and in this video we will discuss about how we can make our application multi-tenanceable. So first question that arises, what is multi-tenancy? So multi-tenancy is that if user log into his dashboard and create a post, user will display only the post which is according to this user, not other user post. So this is multi-tenancy. So I will show you a quick demo. So if I go to login, and I have two users in the database. So first one is Dayat Niazi and second is Zafar Fahim. So I'm first login Dayat Niazi, and the password, and login. So Hidayat Niazi is logged in, and there are 1 2 3 4 5 posts. But in the database, if I go to the posts, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so there is 7 posts. The 6 post sorry, the 5 posts are relevant to user 1 3 4 5. 5 posts are relevant to Hidayat Niazi, that's why it's only displaying 5 posts, not all posts. So if I go to the code, go to the home controller, I am achieving this using home controller. I am fetching all posts and passing this to view home. And if I go to the home, and here I am fetching this if post count greater than 0, so it will display the post thing, everything. Okay, so this is displaying everything which is according to user. How I am achieving this type of functionality? So let's discuss about this. So how you can achieve this type of functionality using a single trait. So if I go to the database, and first you need to create a column where you want to achieve this type of functionality. So I am inside the post, and I created a column created by user ID. So here I am storing the user who is created this post. So how I can achieve this? So if I go to the traits, uh, inside the app I created directory traits, and inside directory I created multi-tenancy.php. So here I created the multi-tenancy trait, which having function which is a static method, and boot is a method which exists in all models. And I copy this and put this here, so making this this should works like a constructor. So then the next step, I am checking if the user is logged into the dashboard or not, because we don't want any type of exception, right? So when user is creating any post or anything which is relevant to user, so static creating function, it accept the models which is created. So model created by user ID, so it's assigning the created by user ID to logged in user ID. So when user create some new post, it automatically detect the model and post the user ID inside this column, right? And how we can display this type of functionality only relevant to a user? So this is the next step. The next is static add global scope, and we are passing this created by user ID column. And this is a builder object which is at the top here. And so first we are checking user logged in or not, then we are using this builder object and finding created by user ID column. And if the user who is logged in to the dashboard is made to this display the because we are putting here where condition, so display all thing which is relevant to the user. when the trait is created, how you can achieve this type of functionality to a specific model. So if you want to implement this inside the post, go to the post model and add this trait at the top, and use this use multi-tenancy, and your model is multi-tenanceable. So if I go here and create so if I go here and go to login another user, which is Zafar Fahim. So click on login. So the Fahim, oops, Fahim, and onto it, logged in, and yeah, Zafar Fahim have only 2 posts. So if I go here, 1 2, right? So I'm creating this, right? So post is by Zafar Fahim, and here is the description. So when I click on post now, it will post is by Zafar Fahim. Here is the description. So Zafar Fahim is here. Um, if I go here, go to the home controller, it's only creating two things, right? Title and description. It's getting the, if I go here and refresh the web page, and yeah, here is the ID 2. This ID is coming from here inside the multi-tenancy creating method here. So this is fetching from here and assigning this to this column created by user ID, and fetching this from here. So hopefully you understood, and if you have further any query, you can ask me in the comment box. If you like this video, thumbs up, and subscribe the channel, and stay connected for the latest news. See you, bye bye.